Sippin with Mete and I.
Your GPS to black-owned spirits.
It is day 28 of VEDA.
Guys, we're almost done. Like the finish line is like right here, and we're running towards it. And we hopefully y'all, prayerfully, y'all been entertained and y'all have liked the video that we dropped so far, guys. Today's no different. Today, as we told y'all for the past 2 days, we're making a Miami Vice. It's a request by Sheldon from Your Favorite Couple, and also he requested a Miami Vice, but also Cooking with Net requested that we do a frozen drink. So this is kind of a 2 requests for 1 that we delivering to y'all today.
We got y'all.
Miami Vice, created back in the 80s, popular in the 90s. Everyone knows the sexiness of Miami, South Beach. That's what we wearing. I'm wearing my little South Beach, Miami, Shine John, old school shirt. It's a sexy drink. It's real popular on cruise ships. So, you go on a cruise ship, you gotta get you the nice glass of Miami Vice, which is a red and white colored drink. Now, it's mostly pina colada, which is the white portion, and a strawberry daiquiri, which is the red portion, combined together. That's how you got the Miami Vice. So we're not gonna hold y'all too long, y'all. We're gonna make this fresh. Now, we could have used the daiquiri mix, but me and me wanted to impress y'all today. We wanted to take it a step further and actually make everything from scratch. So y'all grab y'all notes and get ready to screen record this and save this to y'all playlist, guys, because we about to make a Miami Vice from scratch. Let's do it. right, guys, so you have it.
Look at how pretty.
The Miami Vice. Tell us what y'all think. How did we do?
I think this.
How does it look? We did that, baby.
Did.
We did that. Hey. Cause you did that. Hey. Shot for it. You did that. I mean, let's not play, baby. Let's sip that thing, baby.
I'm not gonna sip that thing because you cannot sip that thing with a frozen drink. You'll have a brain freeze.
Baby,
okay?
let's freeze that thing.
You know, only you can make your best, the drink you want it to be.
Kayla Marr.
This is so
I seen Kayla Marr just say when she saw the Bahama Mama, or the Bob Marley, she was like, oh, I need to try one. We told y'all.
Well, you know,
We make the best Bahama Mama. They never been on a cruise before.
Well, that's not
I'm talking Bahama Mama, but I don't know. Most of the time you get that on a cruise, especially go to like, Bahama Breeze somewhere. Yo, when I tell you, we make the best cruise drink.
You know,
hands down.
The rest of this week.
Challenge us. Challenge us.
Cruise drink. The rest of
Cruise drink. No, I'm gonna do another week. Cause remember we said going forward we're gonna start doing weeks and stuff like that, whatever. We're gonna do a rum runner. But guys, when I tell y'all this is so fire. Fire!
And you can't even. I don't know.
To taste the two different types of rums.
Too much icing, huh?
Taste the two different types of rums. Tastes like I got whipped cream in here, but it's not. Man, ooh.
It's Virgo season. But this was a beautiful.
This is really good, y'all. See, I'm just killing this.
I need it.
Oh man.
I need it too cold.
Shout out to Cooking with Nat, your favorite couple, for this request. We gotta do more frozen drinks.
Yeah, they come out so pretty to me. We gotta do a pina colada.
Yeah, pretty much we did. This is a pina colada and a strawberry daiquiri. All right, guys, we gotta get back to work. So, I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Ooh, that brain freeze recipe, God.
See, look, I mean, he done had the leaf, the strawberry, all that child.
Yeah, it's
so you ain't sipping that thing? Oh, okay then.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ain't take that thing out. I'm playing with it.
You playing with it.
Oh my God, that
Take that
brain
thing to
freeze.
the head.
I did. It's right here to the head. Y'all make sure y'all follow us on Instagram. We do post daily, Sippin with Mete and I. We do post daily, and we post on our story, guys. Me tell them the website.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
Pick up the God First, Sippin with Me, not cups, the Sippin with Me, not t-shirts. Everything, guys. We got dope in real life. We love y'all.
Love you guys.
Thank y'all so much again for rocking with us for the past 28 days.
Y'all did.
Tomorrow, we're gonna do the margarita, the classic margarita, and we're gonna use the new Kevin Hart tequila to make that margarita, guys. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for tomorrow.
Wait, margarita or rum runner?
You gonna do rum? You gonna do two drinks
So
back to
we're
back?
gonna make both of them with Kevin Hart.
No, rum runner is rum, baby. You're supposed to rum runner. So tomorrow we're gonna do a rum runner.
Well, I guess it don't matter.
Which one, baby? You gonna do rum runner? Pick one, baby. You pick one right now.
No, we'll surprise y'all.
Okay. So we'll see y'all tomorrow, guys. Day 20.
At 8.
This is day 28.
9. Wait. Don't worry.
No, we've been drinking, guys. We love y'all. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Same place, same time. Right? Same place, same time.
Love y'all.
We out, y'all. Be safe. Drink responsibly. Stay y'all. Keep your mask on. And we'll see y'all later tomorrow. I don't know. We out.